Imagine this. You've created a solid application, your users love it, but suddenly you're hit by a data breach. But how? You've secured everything, right? Well, did you remember to secure your APIs? APIs, or application programming interfaces, are essential building blocks of modern applications. They allow different software systems to communicate and share data. But with great power comes great responsibility. APIs, being open doors into your system, must be secured to prevent unauthorized access. The importance of API security can't be overstated. With the ever-increasing number of APIs, the potential for security vulnerabilities also rises. The solution? A strong collaboration between security and engineering teams. Security isn't something you can just slap on at the end of a development cycle. It needs to be integrated from the get-go. And this is where the engineering team comes into play. They provide the foundation for a secure API, implementing solid coding practices, maintaining up-to-date libraries, and keeping an eye out for potential security holes. On the other side, the security team provides the expertise to identify and mitigate risks. They perform security audits, run penetration tests, and create security policies. They're the watchdogs, always on the lookout for the latest threats. But the collaboration doesn't end there. The security team needs to educate the engineers about the risks and best practices in API security. They must ensure that the engineering team is aware of the various threats and how to code to prevent them. The engineering team, in turn, must be open to feedback. They need to understand that security is not a hurdle to be bypassed, but a necessary component of a robust system. Now let's not forget about API documentation. It's a critical part of API security. Good documentation doesn't just make it easier for developers to use your APIs. It also helps you understand the potential vulnerabilities. It gives both the engineering and security teams a clear view of what each API does and how it does it. Incorporating security tests early in the development pipelines is another crucial strategy. It allows you to catch any potential security issues before they become serious threats. Early detection is key in preventing a full-blown crisis. In summary, securing APIs is not a one-person job. It requires a strong collaboration between security and engineering teams. It involves integrating security from the start, maintaining good API documentation, and incorporating security tests early in the development pipelines. Remember, an API is like a door into your system. Just like you wouldn't leave your front door wide open, you can't afford to leave your APIs exposed. So secure your APIs, protect your system, and keep your users' data safe. After all, their trust is in your hands.